What's up everyone, Motorhead over here, and today we are going to cover the all new Suzuki GSX S750. Okay, so this is the front profile of this bike, so have a look at it. If we talk about the light at the front, it's a normal halogen bulb. I don't know why, no DRL, no LED. And over here is the indicator also, which is not LED. LED होना चाहिए था, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं है. So if we talk about the front suspension, it is inverted telescopic with coil spring oil damped, and over here is the ABS sticker. This bike has dual ABS channel. Okay, so if we talk about the front tire, it is 120 by 70 and R17, and over here are the Nissan calipers, and this is an alloy wheel radial tire. Also these are tubeless tires. Okay, so if we talk about the cylinders, this is a 4-cylinder bike and goes 4 into 1, like not 4 into 2 into 1, but directly 4 into 1 into the muffler. Okay, so ये है engine crash guards and ये additional है, साथ में नहीं मिलते. So have a look at this 749cc engine, 4-cylinder, and which produces 114 horsepower and 81 newton meters of torque. Okay, so have a look at the shape of the tank. It looks amazing, and this is the side profile of the bike. Here is the 6-speed manual transmission gearbox, and the rear suspension is link type, coil spring oil damped, foot pegs for pillion. And if we talk about the rear tire, it is 180 by 55 R17, and also it is a radial tire, alloy wheel, and tubeless. Now if we talk about the exhaust, this is a custom exhaust by SC Project. So now if we talk about the rear light, it is an LED light which looks really amazing, and over here are the indicators, and this is how LED light looks at night. Okay, so let's have a look at the instrument cluster and the controls mounted over the handlebar. Okay, so let's insert the key, and here we go. So have a look how amazingly done it is, and let's have a look over here. Here's the GSX-S branding, and over here is the engine kill switch and hazard light switch, in ignition on and off. Okay, so over here to select the modes, and over here is the pass switch and indicators, and over here is the horn. Okay, so here's the mirror, and over here we have many things, like this is the fuel meter, and over here is the tachometer, gear shift indicator, traction control, and outside temperature. We also have the time, and if we control from the modes, like we have trip meter, distance. Over here is the distance traveled. One thing I really liked about this instrument cluster, like आप यहाँ पे RPM मीटर के जो पैटर्न्स हैं वो आप अपने सेट कर सकते हैं जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. लाइक सी कितने सारे पैटर्न्स हैं एंड अमेजिंग. एक और बात, जो यहाँ पे कंट्रोल्स दिए गए हैं ये सेम कंट्रोल यहीं पे हैं, वो सेम ऑपरेट करते हैं. आई डोंट नो वाई दो जगह दिए हुए हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे भी आपको काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है, लाइक लो ऑयल इंडिकेटर, ABS का साइन, और हैज़ार्ड लाइट एंड टेम्परेचर, ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, और भी काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर में. पेट्रोल भरने के लिए आपको यहाँ से की डालनी पड़ेगी, एंड लाइक दिस इट ओपन्स. यहाँ से भरेगा पेट्रोल. तो पिलियन सीट के नीचे थोड़ी सी जगह है, लाइक आप अपने पेपर्स वगैरह रख सकते हैं, तो बहुत ही कम स्पेस है पेपर्स वगैरह के लिए. यहाँ पर है ये सिलेंडर्स, और उसके नीचे इंजन गार्ड. ओके, तो अब है टाइम इसके एग्जॉस्ट नोट सुनने का. सो हियर वी गो. वाओ, ओके, इट्स अमेजिंग. जस्ट हैव अ लुक. आई डोंट नो, जस्ट लिसन एंड ईयरफोन्स लगाओ बेटर एक्सपीरियंस के लिए. नाउ लेट्स लिसन द रेव ऑफ दिस बाइक. हियर वी गो. Really amazing. price of this bike is 7,46,000 and this is a limited edition color which you are seeing right now. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो डू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मोर रिव्यूज़ लाइक दीज एंड जस्ट सब्सक्राइब मैन.